Writing Tools is a free and open source writing assistant that works system-wide, faster and better than Apple's own writing tools. With just one keyboard shortcut, you can craft professional emails, shorten WhatsApp messages, rewrite Word documents, summarize articles, and much more. I'll demonstrate how to set up the app and then look into various use cases where this app is useful. Writing Tools is powered by Google's Gemini. You can also use local LLMs or cloud-based LLMs like ChatGPT. The app doesn't use a lot of CPU resources. While the app itself is privacy-focused and open source, cloud-based LLMs like ChatGPT and Gemini aren't. In the free tier of Gemini, your data is sent for training. It's the same as using them on the web. In this video, we'll focus on the Gemini method as it is the easiest to use. To download, open the GitHub page linked in the description, go to Releases, and under Assets, download the zip file. Run the .exe file, customize these options if you want, click Next, then click Get API Key, log in if you aren't, click Create API Key, choose your project name, click Copy, and then paste it in Writing Tools. You can also customize the AI model. To make the app automatically start when you open your computer, click Windows R, type shell, startup, create a shortcut, and move it to the startup folder. Now, whenever you select text, anywhere where you can type text, and you click Ctrl space, this window will pop up and it will allow you to proofread, rewrite, make your message more friendly, make it more professional, make information more concise, make tables that you can copy and paste into Word, generate key points, or summarize articles by clicking Ctrl A to select all text in the web page and clicking Summary. You can even use Ctrl A on a Reddit post, for example, to summarize what the comments are saying. You can even use Describe Your Change to translate text, rewrite in a poetic style, explain to a child. You can even use this for your notes. For example, to generate a summary of lengthy notes to put at the start and quickly know what the note is about. I recommend that you copy the note before you use Writing Tools on it, because it will delete the old text. You can also ask it to bold and highlight the key words within a sentence. You can also use it to make your notes easier to read, or to simply highlight and bold the headings. If you have a note that you wrote in a chaotic way, you can also ask it to organize and format it nicely. Or if you want to use and take action on a note, you can ask it to distill actionable steps. You can also use it to change the casing of text, for example, to all caps, title case, or sentence case. When you press Ctrl space without selecting text, the chat mode window will pop up. This is useful for quickly generating ideas and similar use cases when you use a chatbot on the web. The app has been recently getting a lot of updates and improvements. The developer said that custom instructions where you can create your own buttons will be added next. If you find other useful use cases, I'd be interested to hear it in the comments. Now that you've improved your writing, watch the video on screen to learn about keyboard shortcuts that will double your writing speed.